Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 19 how to repost a photo on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dot, click on the application called GRIDS itself, and then go to the search box, search for anything computer related, computer science. The top, click on computer science memes, and now we can click on a photo itself. Click on the three dots on the bottom right corner of the post, repost. We are then given a box with the photo, another box with the text. We can re-edit if we are required to, or we can simply just post the photo itself. Now when I go back to my page, the repost is visible on my page, Computer Science Videos. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.